I am doing a bridal hairstyle, so the first thing I have to do is apply the mantika. Now I will make a half pony. I want messy look, so I am doing like this. Now making another pony. And now take out pony from outer side. Do the same as before. You can see I am not using any pins, just a rubber band. If you have problems how to untie hair with rubber band, then you can tell me in comment. I will make a separate video for how to untie hair. I am putting flowers. I personally think that bridal hairstyle is incomplete without flowers. You can use beads also. Now I'm curling hair. Now you can see how simple and perfect braid it is, without any pins in an easy way.